conclude something. Japan Mesa sits here and say, what wrong has the Chief Justice done? The Chief Justice is not supposed to have done any wrong at this stage. Prima facie determination is not a determination of wrong, is it? You are a lawyer and you are speaking like this. What the president needs to determine is whether or not the Chief Justice has a case to answer, whether the petitions against her are not frivolous. And the Chief Justice herself has admitted to clear wrongdoing in her own responses, which, as I say, radio has serialized. The Chief Justice says that she decided, in fact, her words, you remember the words she used, I opted to use my official travel privileges for a private travel. You go on a private vacation. A private vacation. Some say Ayenene was not aware of this. She would have petitioned for Gertrude Torkornoo's removal. Because when Loretta Lamte used state funds, 182,000 cedis on her private residence, you and your client, you got President Mahama to sack her. This woman carried state funds to sponsor her daughter and her husband on a private vacation and paid them per diem. You are sitting here saying, what wrong has she done? She has admitted.
The suspension is discretionary. And the president could have exercised the discretion otherwise. In Loretta Lamte's case, once the prima facie determination was made by Georgina Wood, we then had to petition President Mahama again and ask him to exercise his power under 146 to suspend her because there were witnesses we wanted to call from Shraj. And while she was there, it would be difficult for us to call them. They would not cooperate. There were documents we needed from Shraj. Suspended. And whilst he did. He did.
And that Loretta Lamte was appointed by Atta Mills, right?
Correct.
When John Mahama was vice president, yet he suspended. So some of you should even be the ones leading the charge. We asked for it, and we gave a reason why she should be suspended. What's the reason in this case? That the petitioner must ask for it. The Constitution says that once the Council of State advises that he must be suspended, the president acts in accordance. No, you see, read that provision very well. And I've read Senior Tadio Sori's argument on that matter, and I agree with Tadio Sori. That provision, when construed as a whole, is not discretionary.
Really?
It's not. Because it says the president may, acting in accordance with the advice of the Council of State, suspend the Chief Justice.
Let's read it. Let's read it. 146 clause 10. Where a petition has been referred to a committee under this article, the president may, in the case of the Chief Justice, acting in accordance with the advice of the Council of State, by warrant signed by him, suspend